The current winner of all cryptos. It is up more than 400% this week. This is crazy. We can thank Elon, Reddit, and all the Twitter family. We are trending. This is crazy, baby. Robinhood saw a major outage. After an outage that was most likely caused by us, the Moon team, Robinhood is now the #1 traded platform thanks to the cryptocurrency, mainly DOGECOIN, baby. I'm going to drop a link to a video so you guys can check out what they're saying about us if you want. No need to waste your time with some video that everyone can see. I'm just here to give you confidence in the cause. Ladies and gentlemen, we're killing it. Unfortunately, when the outage happened, I believe the sell-off was caused by panic sellers thinking Robinhood was added again. Well, I'm here to tell you and assure you, Robinhood is not the problem. The problem is Robinhood is basically a failure of its own success because everybody wants the Doge. And I'm sorry, but there's not many people out there offering it. I believe what happened last time with the whole GameStop and AMC run-up, well, Doge, I think, played a big part in that whole fiasco that happened with the outage. If you don't agree or if you would like to share some other information with me, please comment down below. Well, I believe Robinhood is not the problem. In an ironic way, we are the problem. But not the real diamond hands, but the paper hands that can stomach the volatility from these cryptocurrencies. But you know what? That's good for us long-term holders who want to add or average down or up. This gives us an opportunity to take advantage of their paper hands. Now, don't lose sight of what we are here to do. We are here to add value and determine the value of a set asset that we determine to be valuable. We are in unprecedented times right now. DOGECOIN added more than half its market cap in the past 24 hours. This is unheard of. And from something that was started out as a joke, well, fate loves irony. Think about that. Stay inspired. Before I end this video, do not forget, this is not financial advice in any which way. Before you attempt to purchase or sell any asset, you should first consult with a professional. If you don't want to consult a professional, do your own research. Look at some charts, listen to some news, listen to somebody like me. I don't know how to say it. Not nice, but you know, some guy over here in his garage set up like this, you know. If you found my no BS approach, please consider subscribing and like it. If not, comment down below and let me know where I need to improve. I know there's a lot to improve on, and I am here to cut my learning curve. I have always been one that inspired and has thrived and out of his comfort zone. So bring the heat, baby. I hope to see you at the next video, and don't forget to buy the dip.